Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview data export features. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to access the data export feature, and you can do that by clicking on the data export button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. And that will take us to step 2, which is to select the data that you want to export. So go ahead and select the data that you want to export. It could be historical price data, or it could be indicator values. Just go ahead and select that. And step 3 is going to be to choose the export format. So you can choose the export formats. It could be in CSV, or it could be in JSON. So go ahead and choose the format that you want to export that. And step 4 will be to export your data. So now that you have the data chosen and you have the format selected, now you can just export your data to a file, or you could do that to a third-party service. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview data export features. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in